Another day, another helpful video. What's up guys? Welcome back to How to Do Phones. In this video, I will show you how you can turn on keyboard sound on iPhone. Before we start, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell button to see our newest videos. Open the Settings app, go to Sounds and Haptics, then Keyboard Feedback, toggle on the sound, and you're good to go. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. See you on our next video!